Need to grab tiny O-rings, decode basic locks, or handle delicate repairs? Check out the SS001 Pro, a compact stainless steel hand tool that does it all. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, this lil hook works on double straight groove and S-groove lock types, plus it's perfect for O-ring removal and precision tasks. Lightweight, portable, and built for mechanics, cyclists, or DIYers. Keep it in your toolkit, pocket, or emergency bag for quick fixes. Want a versatile little tool for tight spots? Link in the description to grab the SS001 Pro now. Thanks for watching.